Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, welcome to Haseeb Electronics. Today I have this power supply. It's not power on. When any ATX power supply does not work, take multimeter, set it to DC volt, connect one lead to ground, black lead to black wire, any one black wire to any connector, then go to the main connector. It is our first test. Locate this wire standby voltage, this number for 1 2 3 4, at any number, no problem. Just you have to this purple wire 1 2 3 4. Check DC voltage, check DC volt, no volt are available. Verify the input voltage. Is the cable okay? Set to AC. We have 232 volt, so that means we have power. The power is okay, and we have missing the voltage. This power supply, it have problem in the standby area, so we have to troubleshoot. Before doing anything, we have to go to power supply. अगर आपकी पावर सप्लाई में आपको स्टैंड बाई वोल्टेज नहीं मिलते तो आप डायरेक्टली क्या करिए, सबसे पहले मल्टीमीटर की ब्लैक वायर को ब्लैक वायर पर लगाइए और रेड वायर को, पॉजिटिव वायर को, जो पर्पल कलर की वायर है वहाँ पे वोल्टेज चेक करें। आपको वोल्टेज नहीं मिलते तो कुछ और नहीं करना, सीधे आपने पावर सप्लाई ओपन करनी है, जैसे मैं ओपन कर रहा हूँ। इसके ये ऊपर वाले 4 स्क्रू खोलिए। खोलने के बाद अभी हम इस पावर सप्लाई को देखेंगे कि इसके स्टैंड बाई वोल्टेज में प्रॉब्लम है। तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में हमारे पास जो चेक करने वाली चीज़ है, ये कनेक्शन ठीक है, यहाँ पे कनेक्शन सही नज़र आ रहे हैं। मल्टीमीटर को कंटिन्यूटी पे रखिए। इसका फ्यूज़ देख लीजिए, इसका फ्यूज़ ओपन है। अगर हम देखेंगे तो इसका ये फ्यूज़ बर्न आउट है। तो इस पावर सप्लाई को किसी भी मज़ीद स्टेप में आगे जाने से पहले हम क्या करेंगे, यहीं पे फ्यूज़ को जंपर कर देंगे। वी विल मेक अ जंपर एंड वी विल कनेक्ट विद सीरीज लैंप। Always use series lamp to test. I will connect a jumper, external jumper, to test. Is the problem only fuse or there is maybe another problem? So we have to test it. If the power supply is working, that time, now I will show you the test lamp, the series lamp. I will connect power. We can see it is fully short. When I connect, so we have to test where is the problem, because this time the lamp is fully short, the input circuit is short. So we have to test the input circuit, then we will go forward, and now we will locate what is the problem. It has fully short circuit. आप देखें कि इस पे आप फضल
نسكافيه
سادة this pure black coffee without milk, without anything, and without sugar. I love this bitter taste. ये बहुत कड़वी काफ़ी है और मैं इसे शौक़ से पीता हूँ। इसमें दूध और किसी भी चीज़ का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता, मिल्क इसमें ऐड नहीं है। सो इस पावर सप्लाई में हमें शॉर्ट सर्किट मिल रहा है, इस पे इनपुट शॉर्ट है जिसकी वजह से फ्यूज बर्न अप हुआ है। अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये देखिए कि कुछ कंपोनेंट्स हमें बर्न हुए हुए नज़र आ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे देखें तो ये बर्न आउट है, ये बर्न आउट है एरिया, और इसको अगर हम लोकेट करेंगे तो ये मेन ट्रांजिस्टर है हमारा स्टैंड बाई वोल्टेज वाला। और यहाँ पे देखेंगे हमें तो ये कुछ चीज़ें जो हैं ये यहाँ पे बर्न आउट है। हियर इज़ अ बर्न आउट in this section, so we have to test it which component is bad. So we will remove these fan wires. So this time we have problem in the standby section. The standby voltage are giving problem. Now we will check step by step. Set multimeter to continuity. Connect to input terminals. Here are okay. Connect to capacitor one end, this positive end. Now short the capacitor terminals. First of all, we will check the bridge rectifier. We have to test bridge rectifier. Capacitor 4 terminals, 2 capacitors, negative, positive, negative, positive. So we will use this end and this end. मल्टीमीटर को डायोड पे रखिए. Set multimeter to diode and connect to one end and go to input terminal. So I am finding short. कैपेसिटर के एक एंड पे रखते हुए टेस्ट कीजिए, आपको शॉर्ट मिल रहा है. कैपेसिटर के नेगेटिव एंड पे रखिए, इस पिन पे लगाइए, शॉर्ट नहीं मिल रहा. वायर्स को चेंज कीजिए, आपको डायोड की रेजिस्टेंस मिल रही है. अच्छा, अभी इस साइड पे लगा के इस पे चेक कीजिए तो आपको शॉर्ट मिल रहा है. ऐसी कंडीशन में आपके 2 डायोड शॉर्ट हैं. Now I connected positive terminal and connected to input terminal. The input terminal is here. Connect capacitor one end and input terminal. I am finding short. Connect to the other. I am finding this diode. Reverse the lead. I will not find anything. Now go to multimeter this end. This diode is okay. So we have short circuit in 2 diodes. 2 diodes are short. Check, the first diode is short, the second diode is okay, the fourth diode is short, first diode is short. As I always say, when we have problem, we will find one pair or 2 pair of diodes short. So this time we have 2 diodes, number 1 diode short, number 4 diode short. Sometimes we will find 4 diodes short circuit. So I will remove them, because in one cycle, half wave, one cycle, we use pair of diodes. In the second half, we use the second pair. We will remove one end. So it is very quick and basic test. To find short circuit. Set multimeter to diode. So this diode is short. This diode is short, and this diode is short. So this was the reason it was burning the fuse. So in the first step, we will replace these diodes. So I have these diodes. So here is this pair and this pair. So this diode is short. This is okay. Always we find the diodes short in pairs. So this diode is short. We will remove it permanently. जब भी डायोड शॉर्ट होते हैं तो ये हमेशा पेयर में शॉर्ट होते हैं किसी भी ब्रिज रेक्टिफायर पे। तो आप जब भी चेक कीजिए तो इनको पेयर में चेक कीजिए। तो जो टेक्निक मैंने बताई है आप उस टेक्निक को यूज़ करिए तो आपको बहुत जल्दी ये प्रॉब्लम का पता चल जाता है कि प्रॉब्लम है कहाँ पे। इन डायोड्स को हम वेरीफाई कर लेंगे, कंटिन्यूटी नहीं मिल रही। इसको भी मैं रिवर्स करूँगा तो ये कंटिन्यूटी मिल रही है। एक साइड पे फॉरवर्ड है और एक साइड से ओपन है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है। इसको रिवर्स लगाएं तो ये ठीक है। वी विल चेंज इट नाउ। तो जब भी डायोड लगाना है तो इसकी पोलैरिटी चेक करनी है। ऑलवेज वेरीफाई द पोलैरिटी। सो वैसे तो बोर्ड के ऊपर मेंशन होती है, the polarity is always mentioned on the board, but before removing yes, we have here let's verify. It's short. It's short. So these two diodes are short. We will install these two diodes now. We will replace them, which we removed from the board. I will make the good size. Yes, it's okay. It's easy to make them, align them, and then you can enter very easily from the front direction. Now this cathode is here, so this cathode is here. This cathode is here. Wow, very nice. It does not agree to be installed because it is afraid maybe there is a short circuit. ये डर रहा है कि maybe आगे short circuit हो. तो जी ये हमने लगा दिया. Now we will connect the diodes, and then we will see the response of our replacement. We have another pole testing, just only to find the short circuit. Connect multimeter to continuity and connect to input terminals. Now we don't have any short circuit, so now we will connect the lamp, series lamp. Before connecting series lamp, the method I told: set multimeter to diode mode, connect to one end to one terminal. Now I am finding diode here. Before this I was finding short circuit. Now diode is here. Now I will connect multimeter, this probe, red probe, to same point. No continuity should be here. Then I will connect multimeter here, capacitor negative terminal, and check here, no continuity, check here, so it's working. So now we will connect, we can check. Before this it was giving full illumination, now it's not giving illumination, very little illumination, and then it stops. Now set multimeter to DC volt. Set multimeter to DC volt. Connect one end here and second end to the capacitor positive end. So we have voltage on the capacitors. Now we will check the voltage in the output terminal. Locate the purple wire. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still we don't have voltage here. We have problem in the inverter section of 5 volts SB, standby voltage. So we have to locate the problem. The standby voltage are still missing. If we see, this line is connected here and then it is burnout from here. After that this line is burnout from here and this track is burnout from here. So this is inverter section, 5 volt standby section, which is making problem. So we have to connect the jumpers between these lines and then we will see the result. आप जब भी रिपेयर करते हैं तो हमेशा कोशिश कीजिए कि सीरीज़ लैंप यूज़ कीजिए। सीरीज़ लैंप का फ़ायदा क्या होता है कि आपके बोर्ड में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो वो आपको सीरीज़ लैंप पे शो हो जाती है, बजाय इसके कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा और भी डैमेज करें। तो मैं ज़रा लंबे जंपर लगाऊंगा, इसलिए कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो बाकी साथ वाली वायर जो है वो डैमेज नहीं हो। तो वैसे भी अभी हमने सीरीज़ लैंप लगाया है, तो सीरीज़ लैंप लगाने से हमारा प्रॉब्लम जो है वो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा कि कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है। इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस एनी कंपोनेंट, फर्स्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाई आई रिप्लेस दिस कंपोनेंट, why I am replacing this component. When you will find the answer of why, then you will confident in the repair. So now I connected the jumpers which are the visible, and I have to check the diodes. Might be there is some diode short circuit. Unluckily this diode is open, and this diode is short. So we will see. First I have to connect the power. When I connected these jumpers, it's fully illuminating. So we have to find the problem in this area. So here is short circuit. We will find the bad components and we will replace them now. So I will remove this heatsink panel so we can take easy approach to the components, and the last pin is here. So I removed this heatsink panel. The first of all we have to check this C5027. So it's connected here like this. So this portion is here. Diode mod. So this transistor is short between base short circuit. We have to replace this transistor, and then what are the possible failures and in the power supply I will discuss. So in this stage we should find here diodes 1, 2, 3. We have to check these diodes. check it out. This diode open. Check this diode, short. Check this diode, feedback diode, it's open. One diode, two diode open. And check this diode, the protection diode is okay. So we have one diode, two diode, three diodes. We have to remove them in this place. Into and it's possible that the optocoupler is also unserviceable, so we have to replace the optocoupler. So I opened this diode, and then I have to open two diodes here. This one, it is here. I opened this diode, and then I will open this diode. Now I opened one end. So this zener is US. This diode is open. Now I have to check this diode. So this diode is short. So we have to replace this diode, this zener, and I hope so we will find other things good. It's okay. So we have to replace this transistor, this diode, and this short one diode. So we will replace them and our problem will solve. This diode is 1, 2. अभी हमने ऐसा करने से जो फॉल्टी कंपोनेंट हैं वो ढूंढ लिए, तलाश कर लिए. अब ये देखिए, तो ये डायोड इसमें शॉर्ट है, ये डायोड शॉर्ट है, ये डायोड शॉर्ट है. इसके बाद ये डायोड ओपन है, जीनर है. 5027 transistor, this diode, and we replaced these two diodes in power section. After replacing one diode, two diode, and in this case our optocoupler should be damaged, so we have to replace optocoupler, this zener diode, this diode, and this transistor, and we have to replace the fuse. Then we will repair these tracks in good condition. We will apply epoxy hardener, put jumper, and after that apply epoxy, so that the wires should be on the right way and they will not move. And we will repair this track also, so this power supply will work properly. So when you are working in any system, any power supply, always work in perfect ways. Troubleshoot logically. This transistor short, so If we see the tracks are burned, the track are burnt due to heavy current. Why heavy current? What is the responsible component for the heavy current flow? So that is only one transistor. So the transistor is short internally, that causes the heavy current flow, and it put a load on the capacitors, and these capacitors, so this surge current applied to capacitors, and after that capacitor discharged, it tried to draw current from the bridge circuit. So bridge rectifiers burn out. When they burn out, the fuse burn out and the system off. I hope so this video is good for you. If it is good, you can like, subscribe and share if you want. And if you have any question, press bell icon button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. You can see this transistor is good. These transistors are good, and this transistor was short circuit, so I will replace it. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.